Thank you all for joining us for this series of training and introduction for ZKDigimax. So last time we discussed with Screen Direct, the software, and also the digital signages, which is the hardware or the screens. This time and for today, we will be discussing about the new tag or the digital price tag, and then of course the new tag software. So the brief introduction on both hardware and software for today. First thing is ZKDigimax about us is the leading solution provider incorporating state-of-the-art artificial intelligence technology, cutting-edge hardware and software, along with a range of services, empowering businesses to efficiently digitalize and optimize their operations. Moving on with our key partners, that is still ongoing right now. Some big names here: McDonald's, Burger King, Starbucks, and other brands, and supermarkets all around the GCC and Asian countries. ZK Digimax offers a complete product range, but like I said earlier, we will be focusing on the new tag product and software. So two things. Electronic price tag is imagine a blank paper that you need for price list, that you need for pricing in your supermarket. So in the use of our electronic price tag, you will be saving a lot of printing, a lot of changing, and of course, the time of your employees constantly changing the pricing if you have a discount. And then it saves you time basically because you can remotely update the pricing, the description, and whatever barcode, QR code, or design that you want in these tags remotely in your office, in your IT office, by your IT personnel or the staff that you assign it for. On the right side here is the wireless gateway. So this wireless gateway is connected via Wi-Fi. It's configured and the main communication is the Wi-Fi. Imagine this is the bridge from the hardware, from the tags, and to the software. So with the gateway, it has a range of 150 square meter. That is 100% guaranteed and tested by our team. And also, you can connect 2,000 number of tags, which is also 100% guaranteed and tested by our team. So one gateway, you can connect 2,000 pieces of price tags or electronic price tags as long as it covers the square meter of 150. A brief description with our price tag or digital price tag. It's a 2.4G technology, DIY template in the software. You can do it yourself. You can design it however you want. You can adjust the font, the color, adding the barcode, adding the QR code, even adding your company logo just as part of your own creativity and design. LED function, multicolor LED light. This is focuses on identification of the tags. It has a different colors because when you have tens, hundreds pieces of the tags, there has to be a way of identifying it by ticking the multicolor LED light function. Screen refresh, this is where you adding the content by your design. It takes 3, 4, 5 seconds of blinking and then it's done. NFC function, waterproof also. Ultra long service life. Our lowest battery life for our tags is 3 years. The maximum is 5 years. Later on, I think next slide, we will be showing you one by one the battery life of our tags. Multicolor display. Right now, I can confirm to you 100% that we have 3 colors: black, white, and red for our electronic price tag. So yeah, like I mentioned earlier, this is the new tag, the latest digital price tag that we have. So from the top left, we have A2F15. The last two digits in this model name is actually the sizes of the tags. So 15, that's 1.0 54 inches. So that's actually small. That is our smallest. Next one is 82P 21. Next to it, this one is a special one because this can sustain and be effective even on negative 25 degrees. So if you have a customers that require a price list, inside an ice cream, or they have a ice cream shop, this is also applicable for usage. So this one is for 3 years of battery life. Next one, it is the same size, it is the same battery life, but this one cannot sustain negative 25 degrees Celsius. So that's the main difference. But for the sizes, it's the same. Moving on with A2F 26 on your lower left. This one is we are moving on with the medium size. This one is 2.66 inches. Like I said, it's a medium size. We highly recommend this size and model because of its medium size design and the battery life itself. For the bigger the size it is, the longer battery life it has. Next one, A2F 42, so 4.2 inch, battery life of 5 years. And then lastly, right now, what we have is the biggest 5.8 inches, which has a battery life of 5 years also. Moving on, after our hardware, we'll move on with the NuTag software, which is both available in web and in mobile app. I will share with you a glimpse of the software in web application and in web platform. Key important parts, the dashboard, the templates, the content on what it looks like. Because you can request to our sales team trial account so you can try it on your own. And also, of course, on the mobile app, it is readily available in the App Store. So right now, or after this training, please install it and try it on your own so you can have a experience on how user-friendly our software and our new tag to begin with. So new tag is an electronic price tag management system designed to streamline pricing and retail environments, which is our main focus of customers. It offers a mobile app, like I mentioned, and a web app version. I will just play a short video explaining and showing to you the mobile application of NuTag software. Okay, so that was for the mobile application. We'll be moving forward with the web app. I will share with you a few screenshots of the important parts of the software for you to able to have a glimpse and understanding on where to look at, where to test, and fully understand how it works. At first, this is the dashboard where you log in. Basically shows the full information of your hardware and system, the registered gateway, the registered ESL or the electronic shelf label or the tags itself, online status, number of refresh, and you can also tick the period date of the months or the days that you want to check. For this example, I've chosen November 30 to 2024 until today. So it will show you the history of the tags and the statuses of the gateway, if it's online and offline, and the successes and failure of pushing the content itself. Move on with the device management. As you can see, in the device management, there are steps provided for you because it's user-friendly, like I mentioned. But of course, it provides you an instruction on where to begin and how to add the gateway itself. So I've ticked or checked here with the red mark box just so it's confirmed or it asks you to you actually read these instructions before you proceed. After the gateway, we are moving on with the device management still, but this is under the screens. As you can see here, we have screen ID, screen resolution, gateway power, which is like the battery life, template, as you can see here for the preview, that is actually you are previewing what is the content in this specific tags. And also the online and offline status. Moving on with the main data. In the main data, you are actually changing, describing the description of the content that you want to be input in the tags itself. So in the product name, of course, you can input the product name itself, right? Lipton tea, for example, here, or Oreo, for example, here. And you can move forward with the category one. If you want a description of this one is for buy one, take one, this one is for pricing, whatever the case may be. So in this category, later on, I will show you the template list on how it looks like for you to imagine it more and have an understanding on what it looks like when you are designing it on your own. So if you take a look at the red box here, you can download actually the Excel file format wherein if you extract it, the same format will show, but you can do it all together at the same time, not doing it one by one. But if you want to do it one by one per tags, there's no problem with that. But we have an option on downloading the Excel file and then uploading it in the system so it will reflect all together, which saves you time and effort. Moving on with the same thing, the main data. Yes, you can add words. Yes, you can add price. You can add barcode. You can add QR code. But some of our customers are asking if can we add the picture? Can we add our logo? Because some companies, some customers are they focus on the idea of branding, right? It's their price list and they want to show their logo in the tags itself. So it is also possible for the NuTag software. The supported file are also here by default in the system for you to see. And then the resolution of the photo to be accepted in the tags. Moving on with our template list, this is an example of designing and what it looks like in the system. So you have product name, price rule, of course, which is the pricing, category, and I put an example here as the barcode below on the tags. Some customers are asking for QR code also, which is I can confirm to you that it's possible to be added in the tags itself. So a little bit of creativity is needed, but some of our customers are just using the tags as with a simple design, as long as it provide the needed information for their consumers or for their customers. So it depends on you. Like I mentioned, it's a DIY template. If you want it funky, creative, colorful, or as simple as like this one, that is your decision or your end user's decision by itself. Just the announcement on, just like I mentioned last time with the Screen Direct, at the end of this month, the Screen Direct from last training and this current training, the new tag, it will be all together as we call the L3 CMS platform. Basically mean the three software that is separate right now will all be combined into one software, into one system. So for our customers, they will only need to log in with the one account, one admin account, and everything will be there. That will be in March 31st this month, 2025. We are still on time, so expect that in this coming week, it will be ready. Our strength, hardware, SaaS, service, ZKDigimax, and clients, and of course, technology. So, as you know, ZK Teco manufactures their hardware, develop their software, and provide top-notch services all over the country and all over the GCC countries. ZK Digimax and its client, what I mean by this one is the existing customers of ZK Teco and the potential customers of ZK Digimax that is an untapped market. There's a big market for this product, and with the help of our local partners, with the help of our distributors and system integrators, we will be digitalizing the businesses out there, of course, with your help and with ZK Digimax initiative. Industry applications, I will be just giving you an example on where it's going to be more effective, where it's going to be applied and used. First thing, this is our very own first project here in Dubai that is still running right now. This is an NH hotel. Uniquely, I mentioned that the new tags or this price tag is used in supermarket. But this customer actually used it in their buffet setup, in their restaurant, inside the hotel. So they have an idea to use this in a unique way because it's waterproof and their menu is changing every day. So they come to us in this unique application that why not use it in our restaurant because we're changing the menu every day. So this saved them time. This saved them time in printing paper every day, changing the food, changing the name, fried chicken, seafood, and whatsoever. And then up until now, it's a very good and up and running project with the use of our tags and the gateway, and of course, the software. Application, as you can see as a sample here, the tags are on the shelf below on the products, combined with digital signage. This is for the retail solution, which is our first or priority target customers. Close-up example also on how it will look like. So we highly suggest for you getting the same sizes per shelf. So it looks consistent and of course more professional and good looking and fresh for our customers' eyes. An example also, this one is for shoe store. That was it for today's introduction and training for NuTag hardware and software. I guess everything is clear. I hope so. If you have further questions and requirements regarding ZKDigimax and of course NuTag, please contact our salesperson. The given contact information in your screen to proceed. So I would like to thank each and everyone who joined, and you have a great day. Thank you.